What would you like? I got a lot to choose from. Oh, here comes your sister. Hey. Hey. Scaredy with the dirty whisker. Yep, that's just these guys. Sure. Come on. Good girl. That's Speedy. Don't bury those nuts now. You eat them. I think I can't see her. Oh, she's over there on the edge of the bricks. Uh-oh, where's she going with that? Uh-oh, here comes somebody else. Doodle, is that you coming back? Doodle, is that you? Come on, I'll give you something. Come on. That's definitely Doodle. Come on, Doodle. Come on, Doodle. Come on, come get a nut, Doodle. You can do it. No, those are mealworms. You're not going to eat those. Doodle, come on, girl. Come on. See, Doodle has to make a conscious decision to come over. And the tail starts flickering. Come on, Doodle, you can do it. Here you go, girl. That's a good triple nut, too.